awesome, just full of freshness. Woo! How you going, legends? Now we're on Finch's Gorge, so I'm going for a walk down to the rainforest to go check out these awesome waterholes and waterfalls. Just loving the serenity here, hey. It's just so like tropical, wet, humid, so much more different than what I'm used to back in Sydney, where it's just dry, boring bushland. I mean, I shouldn't say boring, everything's so cool, but just go up there and it's just the same bush all the time, and this is just so different, like it's just tropical as. Check out the surroundings, guys. We're not too far from the Daintree, to be honest. It's only around 7 hours from this area. But like, even just check out all the growth. And the trees. It's an environment, so many species. Just nothing I've really seen before down Sydney way. Highly recommend this. So I'm gonna get the Goey. Well, it's actually the DJI. Get the DJI in the water, jump into the waterfall, get the drone up so you can see the canopy. Hectic, we'll go from there. Waterfall there, gorge running down. Shouldn't be too far away now then. Whew. In here. This is an awesome waterhole. Just walked around the corner and got in here, and it's just absolutely clear in this little cave, and there's all this water just smashing down the rocks at the top of the gorge, and this is like the furthest way that you can get up, so I'm just cooling down because it's that humid. But what a spot, eh? Like, it's so different to Sydney, man. Like, this is such tropics. Absolutely love it here. I could see myself staying here for quite a long time. Check out the serenity. This place is just awesome, just full of freshness. Woo! Zip it up.